Pretty easy to install. You just line it up with this brace up here because the upper part's going to go up here. Put the screws and the wing nuts through and tighten them up. 2 straight flat panels, 1 flat panel on the side, and then you're going to put, and then the curved panels in the corners, of course. Then you're going to do the same on the top row right here. You're just not going to do this extra one, so it goes right there. Here it is, all done. Can't wait to put it over in my garden area, fill it up, start planting some stuff. But just wanted to get some initial thoughts. It's pretty easy overall to put together. I definitely would recommend just loosely putting in all of these wing nuts. There's these cross braces for the top and the bottom to give it some rigidity. And just loosely put everything together, line it all up. You have to slide these into place. And then once you're all done, go ahead and tighten it all up. And overall, looks like a great product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.